Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that if you graph the function f of x, you'll see that f appears to be an odd function, and we're asked to prove it. So for f to be an odd function, that means f of negative x has to be equal to negative f of x. So the way we're going to prove this is to be calculating f of negative x and to simplify it and to see if it looks like the negative version of this. So f of negative x is the same as f of x, except everywhere we see an x, we have to plug in a negative x. So we have 1 minus e to the 1 over negative x over 1 plus e to the 1 over negative x. This means we can simplify these exponents by bringing by bringing the negative sign out front. So this is 1 minus e to the negative 1 over x. 1 plus e to the negative 1 over x. And if we have a negative exponent, that means that it's equal to 1 minus 1 over e to the positive exponent, 1 over x. Same thing here, 1 plus 1 over e to the 1 over x. And now we just have to simplify these into singular fractions. So if we want a common denominator here of e to the 1 over x, we can turn 1 into e to the 1 over x over e to the 1 over x, right? This thing over itself is equal to 1. Minus the fraction we already have. Same thing here, e to the 1 over x divided by e to the 1 over x plus this time 1 over e to the 1 over x. And now that we have common denominators, we can add or subtract the numerators. So this is e to the 1 over x minus 1 over e to the 1 over x over e to the 1 over x plus 1 over e to the 1 over x. So we have this fraction divided by this fraction. So we can take the top fraction and multiply it by the reciprocal of this fraction, which is just flipped. And the reason that we can do this is because, let's say, 6 divided by 3, this is the same as 6 times 1/3. Right? So we're just flipping the fraction because this is equal to 3 over 1. So e to the 1 over x cancels, and we're left with e to the 1 over x minus 1 over e to the 1 over x plus 1. So we just have to do a little manipulation of this to get it to match what we want. So if we turn this into negative e to the 1 over x, negative 1 is positive 1, over e to the 1 over x plus 1. We bring the negative out front, we flip these around, so instead of negative e to the 1 over x plus 1, it's 1 minus e to the 1 over x. And then we flip these around, 1 plus e to the 1 over x. What we have here is negative this fraction. What is this fraction? It's f of x. Therefore, f of negative x is equal to negative f of x. Therefore, f is odd.